Hello friends, let's make delicious Italian pizza today. First we will start with pizza sauce. Let's check out the ingredients. 2 medium finely chopped onion, half teaspoon of carom seeds, 8 to 10 chopped garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of oil, turmeric powder, chili flakes, red chili powder, salt as per taste, oregano, and most important ingredient, tomato puree. Now first take medium size pan on low heat, then add oil. When oil heats up, add carom seeds. After few seconds, add chopped onions and stir it well. Now add chopped garlic. Mix it well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, add turmeric powder and red chili powder. Stir it well. Now add tomato puree. Then stir it well for 2 minutes. Now add oregano and chili flakes. Now add salt as per taste. Stir it well for 2 minutes. You may also add tomato sauce for tangy taste. Now mix it well. Add little water to make fine gravy. Stir it well. Okay, so our pizza gravy is ready. It looks so tempting. Hey, it's pizza decoration time. So let's check out the ingredients. Capsicum slices, onion slices, tomato slices, grated cheese, butter, oregano, chili flakes, pizza sauce we prepared, ready-made pizza base. Apply butter on pizza base if you are going to bake in a pan so that it will not burn. So now we will apply pizza gravy on the top. Apply and spread equally. Okay, decorate it with some onion slices, tomato slices, capsicum slices, and finally add lots of cheese on it. Sprinkle oregano and chili flakes to spice up the pizza. So our pizza is ready to bake on gas or microwave. Hooray! Pizza is ready to eat. You can eat it with any soft drinks.